Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the barcode scanner or your phone camera in barcode mode and granting camera permission. Clean the lens and the barcode surface so the pattern is clear. Dirt or smudges confuse detection. Once done, position your device roughly 6 to 12 inches away and hold it steady. Too close or too far prevents focus. Make sure light is bright but not a harsh reflection. Diffuse light reduces glare and helps the sensor read the bars accurately. Now align the barcode inside the on-screen guide or viewfinder so the whole code fits comfortably. Centering is crucial for accurate decoding. You should wait for the autofocus to settle. If it wobbles, tap the screen to lock focus on the code. Once focused, move slowly. Small adjustments help find the right distance. If the scanner struggles, tilt slightly or switch to portrait orientation to reduce glare from shiny surfaces. This often lets the algorithm. After capture, check the detected code shown on screen and copy or save it to your clipboard or app. Verify digits match the label. If the scanner fails, retry with brighter, more diffuse light, change angle slightly or increase distance a bit. Small changes often fix issues. If that still doesn't work, switch to a different barcode app or enter the numbers manually as a fallback. One key troubleshooting tip: remove any plastic cover or glare source and try again. Reflections are the most common problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.